Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the KFC Zinger Burger review. So, this is a chicken burger that they got there. I think it's supposed to be spicy, not entirely sure. It's got a spicy looking sauce on it, lettuce, and the chicken. And a nice bun. So, I'm excited to try this out. I've heard lots of things about the Zinger being a good burger. I've never had one before. So I decided to change that with this burger. So I'm gonna try it right out, get a saucy bite here. Chicken was a little old. There's a cracking there in the middle. Doesn't have like a crazy good taste or anything. Just like dry chicken. Some spicy sauce on it there. It's cool. Yeah, I think the sauce is supposed to be spicy, but I'm not finding it spicy. I just tried out their new scorcher, which you were promised a milk with it to help drink and like get rid of the spiciness. I got through the whole burger without even needing to drink my soda, and they didn't give me a milk. So I didn't expect a lot of spiciness from something like this when its spiritual successor in the spicy was not spicy at all. Oops. Not spicy. Not like going for it. It's the chicken burger itself's like kind of old feeling. It's dried out. A little flavor, but it's decent enough. I'll have one more bite and I'll give my final review. Not terrible. So yeah, much like the other KFC spicy burgers, it's not that spicy. It tastes decent. I've had a lot of better chicken burgers in my day. This one was kind of, you can see it's cracking there. It's dried out. I don't think they gave me like a fresh patty or anything. That's okay though. I tried out the scorcher as well, hoping it to be very spicy, and I didn't find it to be spicy at all, so no surprise the Zinger's not spicy at all. I'd give this a 0.1 on the spicy scale out of 10. Not spicy. And I'll rate the burger as well on a scale of 1 to 10. I'd probably give this burger like a 5. Nothing amazing with this. I got a dried out one. I'll ignore that and pretend like it was better, but just a mid burger. Nothing crazy good about it. I like the scorcher a lot though. The scorcher was really good. The Zinger, not too much going for it, but that is it. That's all. This is a KFC Zinger review. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.